music, Korean music.
Yeah, no. Zach will cry. Babe, it's so zoomed in.
Here we are, ready for the airport.
I'm not even drunk.
We made it!
What's up, guys? It's your girl Rochelle. Welcome. Oh wait, what's my fucking intro? I forgot. What's up, guys? It's your girl Rochelle, back at it again with another YouTube video. So for today's video, I don't know if you can tell, but we're in Vegas. I'm gonna do a room tour when we get back because the hotel's kind of a mess right now. It's been a long night. Anyways, I'm just gonna vlog a little bit, show you a little bit of my trip. I didn't get to vlog yesterday because it was our first day here. So I thought today would be a perfect day to start the vlog and show you guys what we're doing in Vegas. What's up?
We're in and out.
Say hi,
In and out in Vegas.
Can you tell we're all hungover? I'm just kidding.
I'm tired as shit. We're not the only ones filming in here, so it's not as awkward. This guy's live streaming behind us. It's not, I show the camera.
Please show what you just poured. He literally just got an in-out cup and poured
Pedialyte.
It's actually Gatorade plus Pedialyte.
Yeah,
It's
Gatorade
the same.
For the real recovery.
Started an hour earlier today. We did? An hour earlier? Yeah. Oh, fuck. We're fucked.
It's gonna be 8:30.
We're fucked up. I'm just kidding. Logan just freaking won. He just won $600 on this thing.
Or more, because you got that 25 too, bro.
Holy fuck, what is happening?
Keep going, keep going.
That is fire.
That is crazy. On $20.
Mad.
Like, look at this shit. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, it's just so pretty. Okay, anyways, we're gonna keep walking. We're gonna gamble some more. Hopefully we win because Logan freaking won.
Logan's bitch ass.
Yeah, hopefully we win and keep you updated. I'll let you know how it goes. There is Dre's and that's where we're going tonight. We're gonna go see Wiz Khalifa. And I'm so excited because I remember seeing the Cromwell on Jersey Shore.
And here we are, real life.
And here we are. There's
Jersey
literally
Shore.
naked girls right behind you. I can't even take it serious. Anyways, oh yeah, live in concert with Khalifa. I don't know if you can see that. It'll be so fun. So excited. They both just won. Zach won that much. Logan won that again. How you feel?
Great, I hit
Winner.
the jackpot and I thought it was going to be 2 mil, but it only equated to 337, so
It was a scam.
it was alright, but I was definitely hyped when it happened.
Yep.
I honestly almost shit myself.
So did I. Wait, how much? Welcome to my hotel crib. I thought it would be really cool to show you guys our room because I'm kind of obsessed with it. It's just a fire-ass room. So this is the front door. As soon as you walk in the door, you see this little vanity right here. Oh my god, this drink was so freaking good. It tastes like watermelon. Oh, I loved it. Anyways, so there's just this little vanity. I've done my makeup here. It was super nice. Then you walk over here and there's a closet with some robes. Well, one of the robes is all messed up, so don't mind that. By the way, we're at the Nomad, which if you don't know, it's like the top 4 floors. Is it 4? Mm-hmm. The top 4 floors of Park MGM, which is kind of a newer hotel.
In where?
In Las Vegas. We're in Vegas, baby. I turned 21, so we're out here for my birthday. So we're staying in the Nomad. Super nice. Here's the bathroom. The toilet is separate from the shower. So you have just like a cute little half bath right here. Then over here is our favorite part. We kind of confiscated this area with, you know, some Tito's, which we didn't really drink any of that. This is just where like alcohol, snacks, and stuff are. And then you walk over here, you have a full body mirror so you can check out your outfits right before you leave. And then over here is the shower. So you have a single sink, they give you towels and stuff, blow dryer, and then the shower is right here. And honestly, I love the shower, it's super nice. All right, this is the best part of the room. Where should we start first? Over here?
Sure.
So first you have this little table where you can sit. We didn't really spend much time here, but look, they wrote us a cute little note. Oh, this is where we're staying, at the Nomad, and they just said, hope you have a great time, basically. And you have this couch, which I am obsessed with this couch, because you get to see this amazing view. You literally see most of the hotels. We're right next to the T-Mobile Arena. There's a country concert going on right now, so we heard that. We were like jamming out. All right, and then over here is our bed.
Great bed.
Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a bed. And then this is my favorite part of the whole entire room. I am obsessed with tubs. Like, bathtubs are just my thing. Bath bombs, love it. So this tub is amazing, and you get to see the view while you're taking a bath. I love it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our hotel room. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to join our fam bam. If you're in Vegas, definitely check out the Nomad Park MGM. This hotel is amazing. Exceeded all expectations, and I've had a really fun stay here. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.